How did you open the gate?
For Fluffy?
Did you go outside?
Okay.
And then?
Go on Fluffy.
Saan ka dumaan?
Downstairs.
Which
What?
downstairs? Which stairs?
Black.
The black?
The one. The black one upstairs.
Saan? Ito? Ito? Ito stairs?
And that.
Saan?
Saan?
Where?
Sa black.
Where? This one?
Nope.
Saan?
Sa black upstairs.
Turo mo, turo.
Turo.
Saan?
Where?
Where?
Up there.
You show. Out there. And then, where did you go?
To run Fluffy.
How?
To run Fluffy do.
What did you do?
What's Fluffy doing?
You went to the
To the road.
road. How did you do that?
To Fluffy.
What did you do?
Fluffy.
How?
Fluffy.
Down the road, down the black stairs, and then
To flower. To look for Fluffy and Papa.
did you wear your slippers? What slippers did you use?
Crazy.
Kite slipper. Did you open the door?
Okay.
Which door?
Which door?
A black door.
Black door. Is that a door or a gate?
Door.
This one?
Okay.
Did you open that
Okay.
so that Fluffy can run?
Okay.
That one? What else did you open?
Gate.
Gate. Why did you How did you open the gate?
To run Fluffy.
Doon talaga yun. Ting, ting, ting. Open like that.
I'll open to run Fluffy. My goodness.
Margaret to Fluffy. Margaret to Fluffy.
Okay, don't do that again, okay?
Okay.
Not good, okay?
Not good.
Not
Kasi?
good.
Not good. I want to swim there now. Can I swim there?
Okay. Why it's not good? So that Fluffy will what will Fluffy do if Fluffy will go outside? What will Fluffy do?
To go outside
And then
and to run
and
to go to the mountains. Fluffy
and
to run.
what will Fluffy bite?
Cat.
Is it good?
Okay.
No, it's not good.
Not good.
Wawa yung cat.
Okay?
Okay.
So don't open the gate.
Okay. One silly, Papa.
What?
One silly. One silly.
Why do I want silly?
Papa's going to eat silly.
Huh?
Papa's going to eat silly. Papa's going
You're
to eat
changing the
silly.
topic.
Why are you changing the topic?
That one.
So don't open the gate now, okay?
Okay.
No more opening the gate, okay?
One silly.
No.
Bro.
What will Fluffy bite?
Cat.
So you want Fluffy to bite a cat?
Okay.
No. No, okay? No, okay? No, okay?
No, okay, no, okay. No,
Don't open the gate.
Okay. Bro.
Don't open the gate, bro.
Okay.
Scary boy.
Scary boy.